Here's a quick update with the CC 2018 version of After Effects. So if you don't have the CC 2018 version, then you won't see this. But if you do, you might be confused about my previous lecture where you didn't see this option where when you open up After Effects or start a new project, in the composition panel right here, you actually have two big buttons. They're just trying to make it easier for you to start creating graphics. And you can click new composition or new composition from footage. So if you click new composition, that's going to be the same as what we did in the past lecture where you create your new composition from scratch. But if you create a new composition from footage, what's going to happen is it's going to ask you to upload some footage or import footage actually. So you would find it from your Finder, for example, or your documents, open that footage, and then it creates a new composition based off of the settings of that footage. So for example, I brought in this little graphic that I had created for a digital marketing class. The frame rate is 2997, the frame size is 1920 by 1080. So it created a composition that was perfectly that size. So that's just one quick change that you'll notice in the new version of CC 2018. And in this class, you might see some other lectures where in the title of the lecture, I detail or I call it an update just to specify and make sure that you understand this. This is an update to After Effects. If you don't have the 2018 version, then you won't see this. But if you do and you're coming into this class, you might be confused because I created this course using the 2017 version. But that's completely okay because 99% of what you're going to learn in this class is the same for both 2017 and 2018. Thanks so much for watching, and we'll see you in another lecture.